In this video, I'll show you how to back up your data in QuickBooks Online Advanced using the new interface and how to run a manual backup before big changes. Click the gear icon in the top right, then go to Account and Settings and open the Advanced tab. Scroll down to the Backup section and toggle Backups on. If your subscription and permissions support it, QuickBooks will guide you to connect a cloud destination like Google Drive, so backups are stored off-site. Double-check you're authorizing the correct account. Now for a manual snapshot, click the gear icon again and choose Backup Company. You should see a backup list with timestamps, and you can click Run Manual Backup to create a fresh restore point. Keep in mind, some demo or test environments may show limited backup options, so if you don't see these menus, it's usually due to plan, permissions, or the account type you're using. Best practice is to confirm backups are enabled and run a manual backup before bulk imports, cleanup projects, or major setting changes, and ensure your connected storage has enough space. Subscribe for more QuickBooks Advanced guides that keep your books safe and stress-free.